Welcome back to our instructional documentation for our CPaaS platform. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create and send shortlink campaigns. Before diving in, let's understand the concept of shortlinks. Shortlinks are condensed versions of web addresses designed to be more manageable. They are incredibly handy when sharing links in marketing scenarios where character limits like an SMS are crucial. Our CPaaS offers shortlink campaigns, enabling you to conduct large-scale SMS campaigns with integrated shortlinks. This allows you to measure customer engagement and convey more information effectively within the limited character space. So let's begin. Go to the Create Campaign section in the main menu. Select the SMS subcategory and then the short link option. The initial slot on this window prompts you to select a template. If you have a specific template in mind, go ahead and choose it. If not, simply leave the slot as is and move on to the next step. Select the account from which you will be sending out this campaign. Pick a name for this campaign. Choose a unique and distinctive name. It'll make things simpler for you down the road. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Send Now option. Select this if you want to send the campaign immediately. If you prefer to schedule it for later, click on the Schedule option. If you choose to schedule your campaign, you'll see a phase option. To begin, specify the percentage of messages you want to send on the dates you'll specify later. If you intend to send 100% of the messages at the same time, simply select the date and time. Note that when you set the time, you must press OK to confirm the time settings. If you plan to divide your campaign into multiple delivery times, begin by specifying the percentage of messages you want to send during the first stage. Enter the percentage, then set the date and time. On the right side of the box, you'll notice a plus sign icon. Click this option to repeat the same process. Continue doing this until you've allocated the entire 100% of messages you intend to send. Click Next. In the Contacts section, the first slot features a scroll-down menu. This option is relevant only if you've uploaded a contact list beforehand. If you haven't, do not make any changes here and proceed to the bottom box. Important to note, if you're working with a template, leave this option unchanged. Templates are connected to specific contact lists. Altering this may remove the template from your campaign creation process. If you don't have a contact list yet, you can download it by clicking on Download the .csv template heading. Before proceeding, please ensure you've filled out the spreadsheet. It's crucial to correctly categorize each column and populate all of them with information. If any column is left empty, the platform will not allow you to upload your file. To upload the file, you can either click on the purple icon within the Upload Your File box or directly drag and drop the file into the same space. You'll know the file has been successfully uploaded when its information appears inside the dotted rectangle. Navigate to the right-hand side of the screen under the phone header. Select the option where you have stored the mobile phone numbers. Proceed to choose the wildcards that you will be using in your campaign's content. Click Next. Enter the sender ID that will be sent along with your message. Please be aware that some country regulations may restrict the personalization of this information. In the URL slot, enter the website address that you want to shorten. If you are not using a template, start creating your message by typing the content you want to send. If you need wildcards, you'll find them under the message slot. Simply click the wildcard you want, and it will be added to your message. Be sure to click on the short link wildcard when you want to include the shortened URL in your message. Note that on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find the encoding our platform has chosen for your message, along with the character limit it allows. This selection is made intelligently, considering the character types used within the message. Additionally, you can easily keep track of the characters in your message and the number of SMS parts that will be charged for sending your entire message. Now we're all set to move on to the testing phase. In the upper right-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a slot labeled Mobile Number. Please input the phone number to which you want to send a test SMS, always starting with the country and area code, and ensuring there are no spaces between the numbers. Examine the mock phone screen to preview how the message will appear on mobile phones. Click the Verify Cost to determine the cost of one message and to identify the destination country for it. Click Send to dispatch a test SMS. Confirm delivery in the pop-up window. If everything went smoothly, click Next to proceed to your campaign summary. You have reached the campaign summary page. Here you can see the countries where you'll be sending your campaign, along with other important information, such as campaign costs and dates of delivery. If everything looks good, click Done, then confirm your actions by clicking Generate in the pop-up window. A pop-up window in the bottom left-hand corner will confirm that everything was successful. And voila, that is all. We hope you have found this tutorial useful. Thank you for choosing our CPaaS platform. Have a fantastic day.